Do not open! My gosh, I'm so angry na. Why is it the drawer keeps opening? I'm so hungry na. I'm so angry. Mama is pissed off already. I'm so angry na, Bebe. Why is it the drawer keeps opening? Mama is tired already. My goodness. Bebe, can you go sleep na? Jen? Ah. Sleep na si GL? Why is it the door keeps opening? I'm so angry na. I already fixed it. Oh my goodness. Maybe I will throw this already, manap-nap. GL, what do you think? Mama will throw the drawer? Throw it away? Okay. Okie dokie. Ito po yun, anak.